Hi guys, today we have Zora Network Updates. As you know, they are an NFT marketplace who have built their own blockchain last year, and they have secured over 15 million in funding with a very cool set of integrations and new updates. First of them being early February when they added Arbitrum as a supported network. And recently, only a couple days ago, they've also integrated with Uniswap, which means that you can actually swap for stablecoins and other tokens on their native blockchain. However, sending funds over there can be tricky because we always recommend using their official bridge. But as you know, Ethereum gas fees are a pain, and we will also give you a little trick that you can use to actually qualify for both Zksync and Zora at the same time by using this strategy, as well as one dApp that is very promising, also potential airdrop using Holograph. Now, if this is the first time that you're actually using Zora, you will need to have some funds over on their chain. The best way to actually get funds over there is at least one time using their official bridge, going to their official website, going to the account section. And here you can see your ETH mainnet funds, and here you can actually use their official bridge. However, if you don't have much funds on ETH mainnet, the best way to fund your Ethereum mainnet account is if you find an exchange that has very cheap withdrawal fees, such as, for example, you have OKX, they have Zksync era withdrawals, it costs like, what, $0.50, or you can even use the, for example, MEXC, they have Zksync light withdrawal, but this takes forever, like you need to wait for an hour. Anyway, how this works now is you can basically send your funds over to Zksync network and bridge out using the official bridge, which will only cost you like $1. But keep in mind that this is Zksync, so you get half or even 3/4 of your funds back. So instead of paying $10, $20 on an exchange to withdraw Ethereum on Ethereum mainnet, then you can simply go to Zksync, utilize Zksync bridge, and find your wallet in that way. Keep in mind, it takes about 24 hours for your funds to come from Zksync. Alternatively, you can also use third-party bridges such as Orbiter Finance, and those come in really useful when Ethereum gas is like $20, $30. You will always pay a fixed price of about $2, $3 using Orbiter Finance. If you actually need to make token swaps before bridging, you can always use something like aptos Finance, where you can just aggregate your transactions and do everything in one go. Multiple token swaps is a great functionality. The dApp of today is Holograph, so we will be exploring what to do actually there. In addition, you can type in whatever you want, doesn't matter. And you can also create something nice, but that's up to you. You choose the, for example, doesn't matter, whichever, and then set a price, start date, and once you see how long the mint is going to last, then you press save. Once you have actually created the collection, you need to actually deploy it on chain. So Ethereum, nope. Polygon, OP mainnet, sure. Optimism was great because their airdrop 4 was for people who have deployed an NFT or minted a certain NFT on the mainnet. So this was very good. It's always good to diversify your wallet usage by creating unique transactions, such as deploying or minting NFTs. So if you have decided to choose the chain you want, you can choose Zora, Mental, Base, or some other, but these are the ones we're expecting a token from sometime in the future. So basically we'll go here, choose the network, and then if you want, you can deploy on chain. It's very straightforward, confirm the transaction, and you're good to go. Also, you can use the bridge functionalities, but for this, I would highly recommend Merkle because they have better functions and you actually qualify for 3 bridges at the same time, 3 airdrops. And for Zora Network itself, probably the most important thing you can do is create your own NFT collection. So you will go on the create collection, choose whatever, but you can even create something nice, but for purposes of this demonstration, it doesn't really matter. Upload a file, sure. And once it is uploaded, you are ready to roll. Basically, pay the NFT mint on the Zora network, and you are proud owner of the new limited edition pointless picture. Woohoo! Amazing. All right. So you can also personalize your mint page if you want to pay some extra price to actually, for example, make it stylish, but this will cost you some real money. So yeah, keep that in mind. Also, they have a blockchain explorer, explorer.zora.energy, which shows you all your previous NFT mints, the costs incurred, and gas fees paid. Lastly, we have on their website the trending tab, where you can find actually the most popular latest NFT mints in progress or recently finished. So we can go ahead and mint a couple of these Uniswap mints. Let's see, it's usually only about $2 for NFT, gets you transaction volume, and yeah, relatively reasonable costs. There are many other collections. For example, we have stuff like, where is this Farcaster down there? Oh yeah, so this is the decentralized alternative to Twitter, which is pretty interesting concept. And you also have the base NFT mints as well. So you can actually switch over to, yeah, this is the one on base. So yeah, you can actually get multiple chain exposure simply by farming Zora. Nice and easy, 2-in-1. Let's see if there's any more on Zora itself. Yeah, there is. This is the Zora one. All right, so yeah, that's basically everything for Zora we wanted to cover for today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. You can tell me what you're doing on Zora yourself. And remember, our place to be is the Discord, where we share all the cool and latest alpha regarding crypto space in general. We made 2023 really some amazing results, and hopefully 2024 will be even better. Have an amazing day, and till next time.